Okay, so let's have this problem. So to find the standard equation of an ellipse with given foci and the length of the major axis, so first we need to graph this given, and this is positive y, positive x, this is negative y and negative x. Then from the given coordinate, so this is x, so x is positive 1, and this is positive 1. Then this is y, so y is negative 4. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, then negative 4. Then you connect, and this is now the point of the first focus. Then from the second coordinate, this is x, so x is negative 7. So we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, then negative 7, and this is y, negative 4. Then you connect to find the point of the second focus. So this is now the point for the second focus. Then this time to find out the center of this ellipse, because center is the midpoint of the foci. So to find the midpoint of this foci, we're going to use the counting method. So from this point to this point using the counting method, and in counting you start counting on the next point. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8. Then to find the center, divide this by 2. 8 divided by 2, that's 4. Then we need to count 4. And again, in counting, you start counting on the next point. So from this point, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is now the point. This is negative 3. Then you connect to the foci. So this is now the point of the center for this ellipse. Then to find the coordinate of the center, so we have x, and x is negative 3. And for y, y is negative 4. So the center is at negative 3 and negative 4. Then this time to find now the standard equation of this ellipse. So since the foci is in horizontal position, so therefore this ellipse is a horizontal ellipse. And formula for the horizontal ellipse, we have the quantity of x minus h to the power 2 over a squared, then plus the quantity of y minus k to the power 2 over b squared, then equals 1. But first, we need to find the values for a, b, h, and k. Then for this h and k are in the center. So from the center, this is h and this is k. Then to find a and b from the given, so starts from the center to foci. Since center to focus, that's c. So to find out the value for c, so this is the center and this is the focus. So using the counting method, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, C is equal to 4. Then we also have this other given, the length of the major axis. Since the major axis divide by 2, that's A. And to find out the value for A, so since the major axis is 16, then divide by 2, so therefore A is equal to 8. But take note that we still need to solve for the value of B, and to solve for B using this formula, so we have C squared equals A squared minus B squared. Then substitute now the values. So C is 4 then to the power 2 equals A is 8 to the power 2 minus B squared. Then to simplify, so this 4 squared, this one is 16, and 8 squared, this one is 64, then minus B squared. Then to solve for B, so since B is negative, so transpose to the other side, and this positive 16 transpose to the other side. So this becomes B squared equals 64 minus 16. Then to simplify, so we have B squared equals, so this 64 minus 16, that's 48. So therefore B squared is equal to 48. Then this time we can solve now the standard equation for this ellipse, because we have now the four values, the A, the B, the H, and the K. So we have now x minus h, and h is negative 3, then to the power 2, then over a squared, and a is equal to 8 to the power 2, then plus, so we have y minus k, and k is negative 4, then to the power 2, then over b squared, and b squared is equal to 48, then equals 1. Then to simplify, so we have x, then this double negative, that's positive, so we have 3, then quantity to the power 2, then over this 8 squared, that's 64, then plus, so we have y, and double negative, that's positive, then 4 quantity to the power 2, then over, so this 48, then equals 1. So this is now the standard equation for this ellipse.